Party people! Yeah! Tag team music in full effect. That's me, DC. Reign supreme. And my man Steve Ronan. We're getting the flow. We're getting the flow. And it goes a little something like this. Tag team back again. Check it to.
Good morning. It's 11th grade career education class, and this is Miss Lively and
Mr. Stewart. All right, let's continue the career plan. What is a career plan? A career plan is a map that shows you the way to achieve a career goal. Use it to identify your skills and interests. Find a career or career cluster that suits your skills and interests and determine the type of education and training that you may need to succeed.
steps to planning a career. Now, for some of you, this may be review, but you could always use some review, right, Mr. Stewart?
Yes, you can.
Number 1, access your skills, interests, values, and abilities. What are the talents and interests? What do you value? What rewards do you want from a career? Research the bigger picture. Which jobs are the fastest growing in your area? What kind of education and training will workers need for these jobs? Number 3, explore, explore, explore. What types of careers are there? What are the requirements for different careers? What are the day-to-day responsibilities? Number 4, create a career plan. What are your career goals? How will you get the education and training you need to achieve these goals? How long will it take? Number 5, get hired. Mr. Stewart, are you employable?
I think so.
Are there opportunities for you to work right now that might build your skills and provide you with valuable experiences?
Absolutely.
Number 6, be successful. Do you have the skills you need to keep up with your work responsibilities? Do you have the personal qualities other people admire and respect? Do you know how to make decisions, set goals, and solve problems? Number 7, continue planning. Continue to plan and plan again. Are you satisfied in your current position? Are there new goals you might want to achieve? How can you continue to grow and develop new skills and experiences?
I'll tell you how. By including a career plan, a list of your skills and interests and abilities, an inventory of careers or career clusters that match your personal skills, interests, and abilities. Have an academic plan that matches your career or career cluster that you selected. Prediction of the outcome selected, career or career cluster. And list of financial responsibilities that you will need to achieve your goal.
Here comes the fun stuff. Assignment Part 1. Create a Word document that illustrates the 7 steps for career planning mentioned on slide number 4. You can list them and then include a picture next to them. Be creative. Have fun. Maybe you want to make a flyer and put emojis next to each step. Maybe you want to put one big picture and make it like a poster. However you would like, just make sure you email it to us once you've finished.
Part 2. Be sure to pick a career that you think you will enjoy. Although there are adults that find themselves in careers they do not particularly like, what career do you think that you would not like, and why? Answer in a paragraph, 5 to 6 sentences, please.
Assignment Part 3. Log into NJCAN. That's right, the website that is at the top of the Teams page. Once you are logged in, place your cursor over the Assessment tab at the top. Look under the What Are My Interests column and select Career Cluster Assessment. Take the assessment and save your results after you're finished.
Assignment 4. What now? Now that you've completed the assessment, what is your overall view of where you see yourself career-wise? Now that the economy has changed due to the world pandemic, did your decision change? Was it impacted? Please answer one paragraph, 5 to 6 sentences, please.
Remember, when you're done your assignments, please make sure that you email them to Mr. Stewart and I. They're due by Thursday. So, what do you think, Mr. Stewart?
I think we have a plan, Miss Lively.
All right. Until next time, guys.
Oop, there it is.
These 3 words when you're getting busy. Whoop, there it is. Hit me. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there